Hey, coin collectors! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Coin ZF. In today's video, we'll dive deep into a mind-blowing piece of history. A single one-baht coin from Thailand that's worth an astonishing $7.6 million. Yes, you heard that right. Stick with me for the next 13 minutes, and I'll show you why this tiny coin has such a massive value. It's not just about the metal. It's about a hidden treasure wrapped in stories of culture, rarity, and pure mystery. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more fascinating coin stories from around the world. So, let's start with some background. A baht is the currency of Thailand, and it's widely used across the country. The one-baht coin, as you might know, is a simple coin featuring a depiction of King Rama IX on one side, with the value 1 baht inscribed on the other. But this specific coin we're talking about today is no ordinary piece of currency. This particular coin was minted in 2001, but it's what makes this coin special that's going to blow your mind. This 1 baht coin became the center of an international media frenzy when it was sold at auction for over $7.6 million. So, you're probably asking, what makes this coin so valuable? I mean, it's just a regular 1 baht coin, right? Well, here's where the magic happens. This coin is unique because of an incredible mistake made during its minting process. One of the key factors that drive the value of this coin is its misprint. Normally, Taiwan baht coins have a standard design and weight, but this particular coin had a major flaw. In 2001, a tiny batch of 1 baht coins was accidentally struck with a rare and unusual error. Its reverse side displayed an incorrect design. Instead of the usual 1 baht inscription, this one had a special character that was never meant to be included. Take a look at this. On the left, we have a normal 1 baht coin, and on the right, the rare misprint. See that small but significant difference? It's that error that turned this coin into a highly sought-after rarity. And when the coin first hit the market, coin collectors, historians, and investors couldn't get enough of it. The rarity of this misprint combined with its historical context meant it was worth more than just the metals it was made from. Now, let's talk about the auction where this coin was sold for $7.6 million. It all started when an anonymous Thai collector decided to sell the coin through a prestigious international auction house. As the bidding began, no one knew how high the price would climb. Bidders from around the globe participated. Some were private collectors, while others were wealthy investors looking to secure a piece of history. And then, when the final bid came in, it blew everyone's mind. $7.6 million. This coin had gone from being a regular 1 baht piece to becoming one of the most expensive coins ever sold. Can you imagine? A single coin, smaller than the size of your palm, selling for that amount. It's enough to make anyone in the numismatic world sit up and take notice. What really drives the value of coins like this? Is it just a mistake, or is there more to it? First off, it's important to note that coins are valuable for various reasons. Rarity, historical significance, demand, and sometimes mistakes, like this misprint. But the most valuable coins, the ones worth millions, are often those that tell a story. And this 1 baht coin does just that. From the rich culture of Thailand to the fascinating journey this coin has had over the years, the 1 baht coin is more than just a piece of metal. It's a symbol of history, of a mistake that became a masterpiece. Now, you might be thinking, how can I get into coin collecting or investing? Well, it's not easy. The world of rare coins requires knowledge, patience, and a bit of luck. Start. Always do your research. Follow reliable sources and check auction records to see what coins are fetching high prices. And remember, the more rare and unique a coin is, the more value it will likely hold. So, there you have it. The incredible story behind the one-baht coin worth $7.6 million. It's an inspiring example of how something seemingly insignificant can become a priceless treasure. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me what you think about this coin. Would you want to own it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Coin ZF. Keep collecting and keep discovering hidden gems of history.